Doing? Welcome to Halfass Garage.
Hello!
Bud, you know we have heat in here. You don't have to, like...
It's kind of cold. My face is cold.
He's so cold-blooded. 2001 GMC Sierra.
Tree fitting.
2,500, buddy. 2,500.
How
No,
about
no luck. No luck. This monster.
tree fitting?
And we got 8.1 liters of absolute gas guzzling something or other. New batteries already in. We got a brake line down here that I gotta repair, so that's gonna be today's job, is repair the brake line, bleed the system, and then yeah, clean her out. That's Dominic. That's gonna be your number one priority, is clean everything out of this thing, vacuum her up, try to get the door actuators to fucking work, because now I can't. There we go. Lube her up a bit. See what's hiding underneath these seats. Oh man, we got all kinds of shit underneath there. Oh, and it smells pretty bad too. Dominic, this is definitely all you. Yeah, I think the seats fold forward and shit too, so that's gonna be good. So yeah, lots of cleaning to do. This thing's pretty nasty. So without further ado, welcome to Halfass Garage.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Fucking bad.
No, we're just gonna empty everything out of it. We'll make a nice pile here. We'll sweep up the trash.
Ooh,
Make a nice pile here. Yeah, it's nice and nasty. Probably get a new door panel from the junkyard. Obviously, they had a dog that chewed it. So yeah, but this is the door panel off the used door. Shit like that. There's all kinds of stuff in this thing. So let's. I'm gonna let you start clearing this thing out
Does
here.
anyone want to loan me some cock?
You know how many of those fucking. That one looks fancy though. Anyway, we got floor mats. We got a specialty truck box made just for this to fit in between this custom made.
Fit in between?
Big this guy.
Fits great, feels great.
You know it. Comfortable. I gotta take the door handle out of here. I gotta take the window out, the window regulator, trade it for that door because the door got hit and replaced. So yeah, we got a couple things we're gonna do. I'm just gonna keep rambling because this is now already after the intro, and we should be doing stuff instead. So let's do stuff. So what we're gonna do now?
What?
Talking to them. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take this piece, I'm gonna bend it the best I can to match, and then reuse this flare fitting down at the bottom here. So I only have to flare one side, which is fantastic because I hate flaring brake lines. So yeah, we're gonna go a little bit past that, like so, because we broke a chunk of it off. And yeah. Alright, so went ahead, did that brake line, pops there. All those other brake lines, all the way to the whole ABS unit looks like it's been replaced already. So all the lines go into it. For some reason they stopped here and decided to do this hodgepodge of fucking nonsense. So there's definitely going to be that front line that I'm not thrilled about. You can see it right there. That I'm definitely going to have to replace. But right now, it's just that front line. Everything else is good. You know, we get the other line going up to the master, which looks good because that's that line. Well, anyway, shoot myself on camera. There you go. So you can see that line right there, and you can see where it gets connected there. Basically, it was the same thing. There's a connection. There's a new line, or a newer line right here. So that's connected to there. For some reason, that piece rutted out, and instead of changing it all the way up, they just decided to stop there. Same with the other one going up to the master, and the one going to the front from the ABS unit. So there's two lines that have to be replaced. Everything else has been replaced. So I'll burn those when I get to them soon. So let's check up on Dominic.
Wait, I have to tell them all something before you go. Wait, are you recording? I have to tell them all something before you go in there.
Nice. I like the dance. What we got? Oh wow. Oh, the carpet doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, it definitely needs to be clean though.
Oh yeah, we're gonna douche the douche out of this thing.
Some sticky substance on there now.
Yeah, shit everywhere apparently. Oh man. Yep. Looks like the other lock has to be put back in. I put that one back in on this side. To release that, I'm gonna have to do that side. Yeah, all in all, we have some spray cleaner, so you could go to town afterwards and like give it a good preliminary. But yeah, keep vacuuming for now, though. I appreciate your coopation. But yeah, we're I got seat covers because these things are nasty, and then you got to work your way to the front. And yeah, let's do some more half-ass stuff, bud.
Just fucking send it, kid.
You know it. Oh, there's the wide angle again. Oh, look at that. Oh, now we can see how terrible everything is. So yeah, I get to bleed the brakes. So first things first, put some more fluid in. Second thing is laugh because I'm not going to bleed them right now. All right, so while Dominic's over there, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to jump back here and start cleaning out the truck bed because I'll bleed the brake afterwards. I don't want to deal with that right now. Getting a pair of quick jacks soon, so I'm going to try to wait for those, but I have a feeling I should probably bleed it before then, but I'm not going to jack it up right now. We're in and out of the truck. We're going to clean it. Since the repair's been done, we just have to bleed it. We'll deal with that afterwards. And yeah, this thing's pretty gross, so. We got fancy mats though. I'm pretty pumped for here. They're junk, but they're going to be good junk. Look at that, we got the overage piece. Ow, it's stabbing me. So, we got the one for the back, we got another one for the back, we got some boots, 42 pairs of boots. So, yeah, let's get everything out. So, like I said, the brake line, hopefully you said in one of the damn videos, brake line is done, needs to still be bled, deal with that later. We kept cleaning, we cleaned the back out, got that situated, and we're cleaning some door panels, you know, there's still some mishigash there, but, you know, we got the 2 front seats and shit clean, and then move to the back. That's disgusting. So a little before. Oh my god. Disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't realize they were that. Let's see what happens. And then headliner's good though. Headliner I'm cool with. Carpet I gotta rent the carpet extractor from. Or borrow one from my buddy. But yeah. On to the back. Alright, so we're gonna end on the GoPro. Blackhall, how you doing? Good night! Wasn't quite time for that, but okay. So, as you can see, the seats are much, much better. In the front, dashboard, whatnot. Beer. But, yeah, door panels. So, next is the back. You don't even want to see it. You already saw it in the last clip. So, I started playing around with where the tablet's going to sit, and USB hub thing, and it's a Bluetooth freaking cassette adapter, so I don't have to put a head unit in yet because I'm cheap. And yeah, but it's coming out good. Smells way better. So I'm gonna get an extractor. Tomorrow I am gonna get more propane because it's cold out here and we're out of propane. And I'm gonna do the back seats and try to get that carpet extractor. But if anything, it's gonna be the back. Playing with some more fucking wiring and electronics. And then I'm gonna take the door panel off and take the window that's tinted and the handle with the key with this lock cylinder and the fucking regulator out, put it in this thing, and then figure out why I can't get this door open. So we'll have more fun tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Comment, like, subscribe. Well, my grouchy ass is gonna continue with you guys.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.